everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are going to be comparing dry versus wet soda blasting. Now this is the back of a flywheel. As you can see, it does have rust, and the question is, can soda blasting remove this rust? So we're gonna find out in both processes. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, we're back with part 2 of the video. These are our final results. The left-hand side here, my left, is gonna be the dry blast process on rust. On the right-hand side, you're gonna have the wet blast process on rust. You know, it really didn't take any of the rust off. That's because soda is more of, you know, a softer abrasive. It's not gonna have any like aggression or aggregate to it. So it's not going to be efficient with either process, dry or wet, removing any rust from parts. You're better off using an abrasive like a fine aluminum oxide or aluminum oxide in general in both processes to get this kind of stuff off. Soda's really good for like greases, oil, stuff that's kind of caked on to clean it up a little bit and take it off, but it's just not gonna give you a finished result. It's gonna give you more of the raw metal, the raw state of the metal. If you have any questions about abrasives or soda, please give us a call. 828-220-5012.